Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a university website. First, defining your target audience is crucial. Understand who you are trying to reach and what information they seek. Next, set clear, measurable goals for your site, perhaps aiming for a 20% increase in prospective student inquiries. Researching other university websites can provide valuable insights into successful features and design elements. Finally, before writing any code, develop a comprehensive sitemap and a robust content strategy to guide your entire project. A visually appealing and user-friendly design is paramount for a university website. Your site should embody the institution's brand identity with a clean, modern aesthetic. Crucially, ensure it is 100% responsive, providing an excellent experience on desktops, tablets, and mobile phones. Intuitive navigation is key, allowing visitors to effortlessly locate academic programs or admissions information. Furthermore, optimize page loading times. Aim for core pages to load in under 3 seconds to prevent user frustration. Compelling content is the heart of any effective university website. Craft high-quality, engaging text and multimedia that speaks directly to prospective students, current students, faculty, and alumni. Integrate essential features such as a seamless online application portal, comprehensive academic program listings, and a dynamic events calendar. A powerful search function is vital, alongside clear calls to action guiding users to key information. Always ensure your site meets full accessibility standards, making it usable for everyone. For development, select a robust content management system that can scale with your institution's needs, offering flexibility and ease of use. Implementing stringent security measures is non-negotiable to safeguard sensitive student and faculty data from cyber threats. Ongoing maintenance is crucial. Plan for regular content updates, security patches, and technical improvements to keep the site fresh and functional. Finally, integrate comprehensive analytics to continuously monitor user behavior and site performance, informing future enhancements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.